Rajasthan State Power Sector recruitment for the post of assistant engineer in different streams in different state power companies, that is Rajasthan Transco, Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited, Ajmer Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, and different sectors of the state. If you just scroll down here, this is the careers page of Rajasthan government, that is Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited. We are looking for this post, that is the post of assistant engineer. Just click here, you will be getting the advertisement link. You just click here, you will be getting the apply online link. So this is the advertisement we are looking for. There are a lot of vacancies for the different posts, that is for the post of accounts officer, assistant engineer, junior engineer. In the due course of time, I will make a videos on different posts. Right now we are looking for assistant engineer in this video. So this is the notification of Rajasthan Rashtra Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited recruitment for the assistant engineers in state power companies. So these are the boards which Rajasthan RVUN, that is Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited, and this is called generation company of Rajasthan, that is generation of electricity for the entire Rajasthan area of operation. And the next sector is RVPN, that is Rajya Vidyut Prasaran Nigam Limited. This is the transmission of electricity for the state of Rajasthan. And Jaipur Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, this is the distribution of electricity. And Ajmer Vidyut Vitran Nigam Limited, AVVN, that is also distribution of electricity. So these are all the areas where the posting may be possible in different sectors, that is RVUN, RVPN, JVVN, AVN. So these are what the tentative vacancies. So there are vacancies of 6 vacancies for RVUN for the post, total post including all the reservation criteria, and for JVVN there are 10 posts for the post of assistant engineer electrical. So these are only the vacancies for assistant engineer electrical for different categories: unreserved, OBC, that is BC, MBC, SC, ST, and EWS. So these are all the vacancies which were disclosed. So total put together for the zone of RVUN there are 6 vacancies, JWVN there are 10 vacancies, and for assistant engineer civil there are 3 vacancies, that is in the zone of RVPN. And for the post of assistant engineer control and instrumentation, the vacancies for RVUN there are 4 vacancies, and RVPN that is 5 vacancies. So these are the vacancies for assistant engineer in the stream of control or instrumentation. And for assistant engineer information technology there are 3 vacancies for RVUN and 1 vacancy for AVVN, that is in the zone of Ajmer. So for assistant engineer for the fire and safety there is only 1 vacancy. So these are all the tentative vacancies, and the remuneration, if you get selected, this is what the 39,300 per month. On successful completion of probationary period you will be entitled with the pay scale of rupees 56,100. So this is the great package, and the qualification required for different streams is a bachelor degree recognized by the AIME or AICTE or New Delhi, or some of the engineering, those who belong to those who want to apply for the stream of electrical, they need to hold a engineering degree in electrical or and electronics, or electrical instrumentation control, power systems and high voltage, or power electronics or power engineering or equivalent from the university. They should be graduated. They should hold the degree as of date fixed at the time of document verification. So even this is same for different streams as well. For mechanical, civil, control instrumentation, information technology, the criteria is same. And candidates, and this is the most important thing, the candidates must possess the working knowledge of Hindi written in Devanagari script, and also knowledge of Rajasthani culture. So this is most important thing, is that you need to have a language working knowledge of Hindi written in Devanagari script, and also knowledge of Rajasthani culture as well. If you know this, then you will be eligible to apply for this post. So this is what the rules and regulations. And the age criteria to apply for this post is minimum age is 21 years and maximum age is 40 years for the post of assistant engineer. So this is what the age criteria for different posts, that is assistant engineer, mechanical, control and instrumentation, communication, fire and safety, civil, information technology. So you should be physically fit in order to be eligible for this post. So this is what the reservation criteria for different posts who belong to PWD category, that is physically handicapped, so visual impairment, hearing impairment. This is what the classification of PWD candidates, those who are eligible. And the procedure for submitting this application is through online application and depositing the fees from 24th February to 16th March 2021. And before applying, you need to ensure that you fulfill the eligibility criteria, and you need to also give some declaration which should be written by hand, and you need to take that picture. Before that, the application fees for unreserved category is 1600 rupees including GST, and for SC, ST, OBC, or that is MBC, that PWD, that is 1400 rupees. And also the criteria is it is linked with the annual income, that is if it is less than 2.50 lakhs it will be 1400, if it is more than 2.50 lakhs it will be 1600 rupees. So the online mode is available only from 24 to 2021 to 16/3/2021. so this is the last date to apply online, to pay the fees online. So this is what the application fees is all about, and payment of fees should be through e-receipt, that is online application form. And centers for written exam will be in the zone of New Delhi, Rajasthan, and some of the states which is outside the state, that is Madhya Pradesh also included. So no request to change the center if once exercised by the candidate. So this is what you need to upload: your photo, you need to upload your signature, and you need to scan your documents, and left thumb impression is also required for this handwritten declaration. As I was saying, you need to write your name here, and you need to upload that particular handwritten text in the text box which is required, which is entitled with handwritten declaration in the file of JPEG or JPJ within the file size of 50 KB to 100 KB. So this is what you need to apply online. And the examination centers for different locations will be seeing, but selection procedure will be purely based on computer written computer examination, that will be based on 60% weightage will be, that is for part A 60% weightage, and part B 40% weightage. And part B comprises of reasoning, mental ability, mathematics, general knowledge, everyday science, Hindi general and English general. And part A will be of the core subject, that is degree in engineering in respective disciplines. And the syllabus is also given here. For reasoning, analytical reasoning, number series, letter series. And for mathematics, which will be of class 12th level. For general knowledge and science, current events, and including some of the state, national, international and also history, geography, or polity, etc. And Hindi grammar will be given up to 10th class level. So the question paper except Hindi shall be only in English. So it is not bilingual, it is only in English. And remember, there will not be any interview, so the written test is purely the merit criteria. If you top the written test, you will be eligible to get this job. So there is no interview for this post. So after that, there will be a document verification if you qualify the written test, and this is the last date to apply for this post, that is 16th March 2021. And as you can see here, the list of examination centers for the Rajasthan, these are 10 centers which are for Rajasthan, that is Ajmer, Alwar, Bikaner, Abu Road and Jodhpur Kota. And for Delhi NCR, there is Delhi, Faridabad, Ghaziabad, Gurgaon, Noida. And also for Punjab, there will be, these are all the 2 centers. And for Gujarat, there will be Ahmedabad, Gandhinagar. And for Maharashtra, so these are all the centers which you are eligible to opt. So this is regarding the RJVN, that is Rajasthan Rajya Vidyut Utpadan Nigam Limited. So if you just click on here, apply online, you'll be directed to this page. So this is what the page which looks like. And remember, you just click on here, this is through IBPS. If you just click on here, click here for new registration, you will be directed to this page where you need to fill basic info, photograph and signature details, and you need to upload documents and payment of fees, that is 1600 for unreserved category. So this is how you need to apply for RJVN. If you have any doubts, please do comment and check out my latest job updates or from the description or from the I icon. Thank you. Have a great day.